Welcome back to the Basic Science Classroom. Today we are moving on to our second chapter, Life Giving Water. So in this chapter we are going to study more about water. Read this newspaper headlines and tell me what you understand. Water has a great importance in our daily life. Can you tell me what do we use water for? We use water for cleaning our vehicle, washing vegetables, cooking, agriculture purposes, bathing, watering plants, and for many other purposes. Can we use any other than water for these purposes? No. No substitute good for water has been found yet. Instead of water, we cannot use anything for all these purposes. Why water is so precious? Pure water is colorless, odorless and tasteless. So we can use it for many things. Now, can you tell me what are the other properties of water? Okay, now let's do an experiment. Take a glass of water and mix some sugar in this water. Stir it using a spoon. After stirring for some time, can you see the sugar? Where it is gone? What properties of water made the sugar disappear? Write this in your science diary. What feature of water made sugar disappear? We know that water dissolves many substances. Do water have a definite shape? No. In liquid state, water attains the shape of the container. Water has several features like this. Find out the feature of water from the picture given on page number 22 and record them in the science notebook. Take page number 22 of your textbook and try to complete this table. The first column, it was given the properties of water. You have to fill the situation in which we used water with the help of the pictures given above. Let us check out the answer. First property, water dissolves substances and we use it for sweetening drinks, for washing clothes, for making soda, etc. Next property is water flows and we use it for carry through pipe, for generating electricity, etc. The next is carries heat and this property is used for cooking, for sterilization purposes, etc. And next one is water has no definite shape, take the shape of the container. This property is used to collect water in vessels of different shape, can be collected various water reservoir. Then next is exist in solid, liquid and gaseous state. This property we make use to make butter using steam and can be used in ice industry. This is all about today's class. I just give you an introduction about the second chapter. We can have a detailed look on the next video. Hope you all understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.